Alright, here it is, rock bottom anglers. Interesting fishing trip, we kind of fell into it. Jake's man in the boat.